Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. If I had $1 for every time someone says they like this lip combo, I could buy Birkin. However, that is perfect timing to share it with you because I'd like to thank today's video sponsor. I cannot believe I'm saying this, but Yves Saint Laurent Beauty. Who am I? I swear to God, how did I get here? I am so shook. They are the most immaculate beauty line. So I will share this lip because we're here and I will get asked. I do link it below. I promise I link what I'm wearing and lips and things like that below. Not everything, but most things that get asked. Tarouge, oh, I'm gonna botch all of this. Tarouge Couture, I can say that. Matte Satin. So I would say it's a liquid lip. It comes out like a liquid lip. It's on their Liquid Lips Doe Foot in the color 23. In that line, so it's got the gold lid. I know the lids can interchange and sometimes they have the black with the gold stripe down the middle, but that is the liquid lip I have. I line with Max Whirl, this is a staple, and then I put Chanel gloss on top, which is the 119. This is perfect because we're doing a Saint Laurent unboxing and it is actually an exchange. I'm going to talk you through it, but let's look at these goodies first from Yves Saint Laurent Beauty. It is packaged like a dream. It is packaged like an unboxing in itself. Look at this box. Are you kidding? Oh my God, it's so pretty. Down inside is just like Christmas Day. There is so many samples in here, you guys. Ridiculous. I cannot believe how many samples are down here. Honestly, that is all of the 24-hour Longwear foundation, which truthfully, Longwear is the most amazing matte foundation. It comes in a satin as well and it is so beautiful. I already have it. Let's go ahead and show you these bad boys. So naturally we had to have this, and this is the Yves Saint Laurent Couture blush and this is in the number 7. Tell me there isn't anything more decadent than that packaging. It is literally like a 24 karat gold brick. Look at that. So this is the color 7. Oh, yeah. Yum. There we go. That's a little bit more closer to the shade. I just love the compact. Look at that compact. Whether you have your own brush or not, that is so bag friendly. The All Hours primer as well. And it looks like so. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's just about the packaging and the smell, okay? It's about the smell. Ooh, that is nice. I like a primer under my makeup that's not sticky, okay? There's nothing worse than being sticky under layers of foundation and then setting spray. It's like wearing 5 masks. Oh, this is a Fusion Ink Cushion in the number 30. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. So you pop it up. And it's the little padded little pad. Does that make sense? And you pop this open and you open the seal of the foundation, which is the cushion, and you apply it that way. And it's like a beauty blender. It really just gets in and makes everything flawless. And it's like on the go. A beauty blender and a full foundation kit on the road, it ain't pretty. And lastly, the Slim Glow Matte lipstick. This lipstick is super famous. 207. Ooh, yes, look at that. The bottom is kind of like a pinkish tone and you pull it out. This is like their famous lipsticks. And you turn it, the actual shape of the lipstick is in like a diamond shape. Oh, we like it. We like it. I'm dead. I'm dead, take me home, it's over. Call an ambulance, ER. The small pochette crossbody bag, it had the 2 compartments in the middle compartment. I ended up exchanging that actual bag. They didn't have any more in the blush tone that I got it in, but it had a pop stitch right down on the side that I didn't see when I bought it. It was the floor model. She was totally cool. The SA Bondi Junction was just like, no worries, we don't have any more blush. I said, well, actually, I'm really really looking for something that might have a little bit more space. And she was like, a lot of people say that because the Becky bag is a lot thinner. It really is the size of, like, if you have an iPhone 13 plus or 12 plus, it's gonna eat up a lot of the space. It's that kind of shape. So I said to her, she was like, what do you want to do? And of course, naturally, I was like, I just want to exchange. I don't refund. If I've come in and I've spent the money, I'm committing to spending the money. And my problem is I go in and then I exchange and buy more. Let's unbox this and we will explain. Of course, Saint Laurent packaging, literally a suit. Literally a corporate man in a suit. This is so slick. This is what I want to be if I was actually like a put together fierce corporate mum. So here we go, hold it the right way up, Jerusha. Of course, Saint Laurent boxes again, suit. I have my proof of purchase and Aaliyah. Oh, how cute. Thank you for shopping, Jerusha, from Aaliyah. She was the SA that I worked with at Bondi Junction, so you can go in and stop and see Aaliyah. What a card. That is so beautiful. Here we go. So popping the elastic off. Look how small this box is as well. Spoiler-ish. I had this bag and I got the ta-da! Ooh, beautiful. Oh, it is really pretty. Oh my gosh. This is the toy Lulu in the color creme. So an off-white in the antique gold hardware. It's not shiny gold, but it's really pretty. So this is it. This is what I went for. The reason I parted in a vlog sale with my Lulu medium, yes, medium size Lulu, not small. There's a small to this and then there's medium, then there's large, right? I think so. This is the toy, like it is really small. So let me just compare the size. This is my Louis Vuitton PM case. It's my electronics case, and then I have the MM for my laptop. So side by side, you can see this bag is petite, to say the least. It is very small. Probably a little bit too small for my frame. I'm taller, curvier. However, what this all over presented was so much better than my, I think I had the PM, or do I have the MM? I'm not quite sure. I think I had the small way back when in one of my old studios. It was black with silver. And the thing with it was, if I held it, you would always see, because how puffy this is, all of here was completely buckled. And I got it like that. I think I got it off Net-a-Porter and it was all buckled here. And I don't know, I think I wasn't as picky back then, and I just dealt with it. And it never sat well with me. I always was irritated by it. And because it was the black, you could really see it. This is absolutely perfection. It is so beautiful. There is not one stitch or one anything out of line. Definitely check your items. And in more kind of able to get, you know, versus something like Hermes, get your hands on, have a feel, see if they've got multiples, maybe they've got one at the back. So something like Saint Laurent, Balenciaga, Givenchy, all these kind of houses that might have more stock out the back, go and look at it, ask to look at it. Just because if you're spending this kind of money, you really, you want perfection. And that's the thing, don't settle. I settled, but I wasn't gonna settle for the Becky bag. I went back and got this. However, here we go. The strap was in the bottom of the bag. So I just wanted to show you. It does have this beautiful detachable leather strap. It's got gorgeous antique gold hardware with the Saint Laurent embossed in it, and it's adjustable. So that's the difference. Is the other Lulu, whatever size I had, I think I had the small, was not. It threaded through on a chain, and it was on your shoulder, and that was pretty much it. And you could crossbody it, I guess, but for that size you wouldn't crossbody. I have seen and heard so many reviews that this, because you can crossbody it and adjust it to be a smaller shoulder, a shoulder length bag, is really user friendly. In that vlog, I tried on the puffer Lulu. I don't know what it was. Something about it, maybe the toy size in it just proportionately worked better with me. Why I didn't go for it, I think that she didn't have the color I was looking for on the floor. I think she was getting more stock in or something, and then I just said, well, I'm not going to be back for a while to Bondi, so I'm just going to take this. And she was like, sure. It was much more expensive than the Becky bag, but that, as I said, we shop up. And yeah, I think I just got to a point where I was like, I'm going to go with this. If I can't stop thinking about the puffer, I'll be back. So, bonus round, I told you. I'm basically an SA's dream customer if I exchange, because honestly I go back and I just think, oh, I'm here, why not spend another $1,500? It's what I do. It's almost like a I think I've already done it, so I'll just get something more expensive. Does that makes no sense, Jerusha? No, nobody is understanding what you're talking about. So in this Saint Laurent box we added little care booklet. Everything is so gorgeous. This just gives me absolute immaculate vibes. If I was one of those completely put together women, I would just Saint Laurent all day, okay? I'm not put together. I got bruises all over my arms. I have a now 3-year-old who likes to bite. We decided to so beautiful to do the matching card case wallet. I don't know what they on a technicality call this, but look, okay, it screamed my name. Look at that. They are so beautiful together, and I vibe with this type of small downsized wallet so much. My Recto Verso from Louis Vuitton is probably my #1 SLG items from Louis Vuitton I recommend. It really, really is. It is so versatile. You don't have the front flap obviously on this Saint Laurent one, but look how beautiful. So it is in the antique hardware, however it's so close. It is the shiny gold hardware. So there we go, the shiny gold hardware there. It's got the sticker on it. Let's take that off. Woo! Woo! Fresh from the back. Look at that. You got Saint Laurent Paris on the zipper. So beautiful. And then so you get a zipper compartment, which, you know, you can put additional cards if you don't have cash. You got Saint Laurent Paris there stamped on the back. It's all leather lined. I mean, it's just exquisite. And then you have card slots on the back here as well, so you can do your cards and your cash inside, and it's just such a slimline downsizer. So look at these two together. I mean, hello, is that not beautiful? Stuffed immaculately inside by Aaliyah. And there we go. That is your interiors. So 2 compartments, a smaller back compartment, a larger front compartment, 3 card slots, like credit card slots there on the front, and then a flat zipper compartment at the back. You have Saint Laurent Paris stamped on the back. Ooh, it's quite generous and so smooth. So beautifully smooth and generous. That is really nice. So I think it would be a super handy size. I naturally think smaller bags are gonna look odd on me. Aaliyah did tell me that this color transfers on denim, and I wear heaps of denim and heaps of black. So I mean, that's something to be conscious of as well. So that is my Saint Laurent haul today for you guys. I do hope you enjoyed that. Let me know in the comments below if you have the toy puffer, the Lulu puffer toy size, or the Lulu toy itself, and which do you prefer, or if you have one or the other, or if you were considering both, just let me know. I am totally into Saint Laurent, like obsessively into it. I think it's such an immaculate brand, as I've kept saying this whole time. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, Yves St. Laurent Beauty. I cannot, my head explosion, mind blown. I will leave all the links below to the items that I showed today. Please check out their website. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Giving us thumbs up on YouTube is so important now for us creators. It just shows them that we're in good standing and you like our content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a link below. I would super appreciate that too, guys. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing well, guys. Take care. Peace.